Hey, look at that. I'm a teenager. Maybe I need a selfie stick, huh? No. Anyways, swapping out the bulbs today on my 2017 All-Track that's been featured in several of my other videos because it's a fantastic car. We're going to use some of these XtraVisions from SYLVANIA. I like them. They're very nice. The All-Track and a number of the other Golfs they all got the same headlights. GTI R, regular Golf. Oh, well, this is going to be easy. I'll just pull this off. That is not it. The cover you need to pull is tucked back in here. So when you reach down inside of here, you'll feel a ribbed vertical jobby with kind of an arrow thingy on top that I'll show you in just a moment. You grab that. It's orientated at about 11 o'clock if you imagine an old time clock. You turn it clockwise. Carefully extract that fella. Take a look here. Just like that. You can see here's your grabby jobby, kind of an arrow. And now we'll swap out that bulb. Next you want to get your bulbs opened up. There your bulbs are. You don't want to be touching the glass with your hand. The oils actually from your skin can burn that sucker out, believe it or not. Take our new bulb. Here, this guy. Careful not to touch it. And if you notice on your holder, you've got this kind of slot area, and you got your tang. Wiggle it in again. You're careful not to touch that glass. And then, this is the part where you'll probably want to use some profanity. Now that the bulb is swapped out, go back in here, carefully work it in. Remember, you're shooting for about 10 o'clock. Once you get it set at 10, seated nicely, spin that guy clockwise. Hear the nice little click. You got her, and put your cover back on. Luckily the bulb is metal and you can get it with the magnet. First step is to get that rubber cap off of there. Here on the driver's side, the access, really no better. You feel your grabby jobby thingy. Arrow is pointed right there at about 11. Give it a little spin. Give that nice click. 10 o'clock. Carefully work them out. Got it out, and we'll swap out the bulb. Again, we're careful not to touch the glass. You can see there's the tang and the slot that it fits into. Gently work it in like so. You can see now that it's well seated there and there, and ready to go back in. Look at that, brand new bulb. Work it carefully back in there. There we heard our nice click. Got it oriented back to 11 o'clock. Put the rubber cover on. And go crack open a beer. While I'm definitely getting better at changing these bulbs, it's still a pain in the tuchus, so maybe just take it to the dealership if you like. I've done that before. It hasn't cost me too much, but kind of inconvenient getting to those guys, unfortunately. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful. We'll see you later.